Good morning, students. See what is in my hands? Pencils. Let's count how many pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pencils I am having. Now I take out colored pencils. How many? 3 colored pencils I take out. Now let's count how many blue pencils left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 9 pencils I took 3 pencils out and they are left 6. What I did? I did subtraction. Subtraction means taking away something from a bundle or from a quantity. Clear? So today we are going to learn chapter 3, subtraction. Chapter 3, subtraction. Subtraction means to take away. In first class, we learned subtraction by counting backward, How? Suppose I have to subtract 12 minus 3. Then how we subtract? By counting backward. 3 steps we will move back. From 12 we will move 3 steps back. 11 back counting. 10, 9. First step, second step, 3. Third step. 3 we have to move back. What is number? 3, 9. At third step, 9. So 9 is our answer. In this way we do subtraction by counting backward. Also we have learnt in first class horizontal subtraction. In horizontal subtraction, how we subtract? Suppose 7 minus 4 we have to subtract. Then 7 bars we put, or 7 circle we put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut 4 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count how many left. 1, 2, 3. We can subtract horizontally. Another way we have learnt in first class, subtraction on number line or subtraction by using number line. Subtraction using number line. How we will do? We take 14 minus 5. We have to find answer. We draw a line, mark number starting from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Up to 15 we take the numbers on number line. Now see, 14 is given, so find out 14 on number line, and from 14 come 5 step back. 1, we have to subtract 5, so starting from 14 we will come back 5 step. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step. Add 5 step. What is number? 9. So 9 is our answer. In this way, we do subtraction using number line. Number may be any. So we will find the largest number on number line, and the number which we have to subtract here is 5. Any number may be. So 5 is here. So 5 step back we have to come, and on which number our fifth step complete, that number will be our answer. Now in second class, we will learn about vertical subtraction. Vertical subtraction. In vertical subtraction, we arrange the numbers in columns like 35 minus 12. 2-digit numbers we take, as we did addition in second chapter. Like this, like that, we first arrange the numbers in columns and then we subtract starting from ones place. First subtract ones. First step is subtract ones. Second step is subtract tens. So we will follow this while subtracting. So starting from ones column, 5 minus 2 is 3. From 5 bar or 5 circle we can write upper digit 5. Always we write upper digit and we cut lower digit. What is written below it? 2. So 2 you will cut. Now count how many left. 3. 3 you will write answer. Now 3 minus 1. 3 bar minus 1. 1 cut you will cut 1. How many left? 2. Count and then write in tens column. In this way we do vertical subtraction by arranging in columns. That we will do in second class. First we write largest number in subtraction, up above and below smaller number. Always we will keep in mind. So what is rule for subtracting? That I am telling you. When we subtract, we will write always larger number above and smaller number below. This is rule of subtraction. We always subtract from larger number upside we will write and smaller number downside, then we will subtract. Let us solve our questions of exercise 1 now. Question number 1. Subtract 56 minus 34. First, we arrange the numbers in columns. 56 is larger number, you will write above, and below 34, which is second number, put minus sign. Now start from ones line. Ones column you will start subtracting always. 6 minus 4. 6 circles you will make. How many you have to cut? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left? 2. So you will write 2. Now 5 minus, you will subtract now tens. From 5 tens you will subtract 3 tens. So from 5 you can make 5 circles and you have to cut 3. Then cut 3. How many left? 2. Write in tens column. The answer of subtraction is called difference. I hope you understand today's concept well. This is subtraction without borrow. You will do practice. Tomorrow we will do subtraction with borrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day.